Have you ever noticed that people don't take you as seriously as they used to? They interrupt you more, ignore your opinions, or treat you like you're not important. The scary part? Most of the time, you're losing respect without even realizing it. Not because you're weak, not because you're incapable, but because of small habits that silently lower how others perceive you. Today, let's talk about 6 ways you might be accidentally losing respect and how to stop it. Number 1, over-explaining yourself. When you explain every small detail to justify your decisions, it signals insecurity. Confident people state their point clearly and move on. You don't need a 5-minute explanation for every choice you make. Sometimes a simple, "This is what I decided," is enough. Number 2, always being available. If you say yes to everything, people start assuming your time has no value. Respect grows when people know your time is limited. It's okay to say, "I can't do that right now." Boundaries don't reduce respect, they increase it. Number 3, apologizing too much. Saying sorry for things that aren't your fault slowly weakens your presence. "Sorry, I'm talking too much." "Sorry for asking." "Sorry for bothering you." Replace unnecessary apologies with confidence. Instead of saying, "Sorry for the delay," say, "Thank you for your patience." Small shift, big difference. Number 4, laughing at disrespect. Sometimes people make jokes that cross the line, and instead of addressing it, you laugh it off to avoid awkwardness. But when you tolerate disrespect, you silently approve it. You don't need aggression, just calm confidence. A simple, "I don't find that funny," can reset the tone instantly. Number 5, constantly seeking approval. If every decision depends on what others think, people stop seeing you as a leader. Opinions are helpful, but confidence comes from trusting your own judgment. Ask for advice when necessary, not permission for everything. Number 6, not speaking up. Silence is often interpreted as agreement. If you have an idea, share it. If you disagree, say it, respectfully. Your voice carries value, but only if you actually use it. Respect is rarely lost in one big moment. It fades slowly through small behaviors repeated every day. The good news? The same small changes can rebuild it. So start paying attention to how you show up, because how you present yourself teaches people how to treat you. And once you understand that, you'll never accidentally lose respect again.